Today I am going to discuss about the concept of cyclotron frequency and its application. So before starting this topic, I want to tell about the behavior of any charge Q in a magnetic field B. Suppose there is a magnetic field B vector and that charge Q is in the magnetic field having velocity V vector. Then the force experienced by that charge Q due to the magnetic field B vector, that will be equals to, that is basically Lorentz force, Q within first bracket V cross B. Right? If the charge particle enters in that magnetic field in such a way that its velocity v vector will be perpendicular to v vector, then that charge particle will move in a circular path. So then the magnitude of that force will be Q VB sin 90 degree. Because 90 degree is the angle between v vector and v vector. So this is basically QVB. If m is now if m is the mass of the charge particle and if r is the radius of that circular path in which that charge particle is moving, then the centripetal force needed is mv square by r. This centripetal force is very much needed for that charge particle to rotate or for moving throughout this circular path, and this force will be supplied by that Lorentz force. So at an equilibrium, these two forces will be same. So we can calculate V here, that is Q B R by M. Now if capital T is a time period, basically here we know that R is the radius of that circular path, so 2 pi R will be the distance that will be covered by the charge particle. So that time period capital T, that will be equals to 2 pi R by V equals to 2 pi R into M by QBR equals to 2 pi M by Q. So the linear frequency n equals to 1 by T equals to QB by 2 pi M, and the angular frequency omega equals to basically 2 pi N equals to QB by N. Now this cyclotron frequency is having many applications. In nuclear physics experiment, when the charge particle is moving around and it is accelerated, in that case it can be used, and also in medical science for the treatment of cancer it can be also used. And it depends upon and this frequency actually depends upon the magnetic field. The more magnetic field means the more strength you will apply, it will be more, and the mass, with mass it is inversely proportional. So this is the concept of cyclotron frequency and its application. I think all of you have understood this concept, and if you like this video, then please like, share, comment and then subscribe.